In this episode I will show you one of the most luxury vans I have ever filmed. It has normal size fridge, it has a 3 gas burner stove and electric stove. Electric stove is just when you connect it to the shore, and double oven. On the wall here you can see washer dryer combo. I will leave the links for it in description below. It has a double sink. As you can see, Michael loves a lot of cooking, so he has a large kitchen. It has a large dinette that transfers into king size bed. And it has heating floor, so basically there is a diesel heater that heats up the boiler. In boiler is a liquid that runs around all the floor, and the floor is being heated up. Additionally, there is 2 more diesel heaters. One is just for all the van itself to blow warm air, and the second one is exactly for the sliding door. It has a rain shower, it has toilet as well. It was just taken out, it's portable toilet. It has a smart house, it's connected to Wi-Fi, and basically from wherever you are you can connect through the app to your van, and you can turn off the heating, the light and whatsoever. I like the ceiling solution. It's not covered all, but just one by one piece. So basically when you need to put through the cable or to repair something or add additional light or whatever comes in your mind, you can always take one by one piece and you don't have to rip apart all the ceiling. Thank you for watching. I will leave the link for the full tour in description below, and see you in the next one. Cheers!